Happy Monday and welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here. We are baking again today. So today we are going to make something super delicious. So these are cinnamon roll muffins. So not cinnamon rolls, and so this is a twofold exciting thing about these. So with cinnamon rolls you have to make the dough and let it rise and then roll it out and then let it rise, and it can take all day to do that. Today with the cinnamon roll muffins, it's like zip zap zop, really quick. One day, 25 minutes, 30 minutes tops, and you have the same idea of a cinnamon roll muffin. The second part of this that makes it amazing is a typical cinnamon roll. It's about 503 calories. I am so sorry to tell you guys this. 503 calories and 21 grams of fat technically per, a typical cinnamon roll muffin. I'm sorry, cinnamon roll. The cinnamon roll muffins, on the other hand, are only 225 calories per muffin and only 2.5 grams of fat. That's crazy. So we're gonna get the same flavors. We're gonna cut our time in a minute amount compared to making cinnamon rolls, and we're gonna save ourselves a huge amount of calories and an enormous amount of fat. So these are just as delicious, I promise you. So give them a try and you will know. We're gonna hurry up and make our filling first because these are stuffed and filled with ooey gooey goodness. And so let's get rolling, let's get cooking. Thank you for being here today. Okay, we've mixed together all of our awesome ingredients that are gonna make our filling, and we've set those aside there nice and smooth. Now we're gonna put together our muffin mix, so let's get that going. Okay, we put everything in the muffin pans that were coated really good with cooking spray. They're in the oven now at 375 for about 15 minutes. We're gonna use the toothpick in the center. When it comes out clean, we know they're done. So we're gonna check those. But real quick, now we're gonna put together the icing. What would a cinnamon roll be without icing? So now we're gonna put together our icing. Follow me through that. Okay, they're all done. I wish you could smell them. It smells like cinnamon rolls. And we got the frosting all done. I've let them cool. They popped right out of the muffin tin. So now we're gonna glaze them really quickly, and then we're gonna eat them. There you go, we did it again. The family's gonna be stoked. We have cinnamon roll muffins. Let's give one a try. These are so good. They're ooey and gooey. They are super tasty. You have the cinnamon and sugar. Another bite. These are so good. I will see you guys on Thursday.